Are you struggling with out-of-memory issues while running your Uima application on Apache Spark? You're not alone. Today, we are going to tackle this frustrating problem together. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your application processes a few batches successfully, only to crash unexpectedly. It can feel like a roller coaster ride of emotions, right? You're definitely not the only one facing this issue. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user recently reported that their Uima Ruta application processes around 2,000 pages without a hitch, but then fails when trying to process just 500. This inconsistency is puzzling, isn't it? Let's explore the reasons behind this. So what could be causing this out-of-memory exception? It often boils down to insufficient Java heap space, especially when dealing with large data sets. We will break down the potential causes and solutions step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you optimize your memory usage and prevent these issues in the future. To address the out-of-memory issue in the Uima Ruta application, the user should first consider increasing the Java heap space. This can be done by modifying the Spark configuration settings. Next, the user should optimize the Uima Ruta script to reduce memory consumption. This can involve simplifying the rules or reducing the number of annotations created during processing. Additionally, the user can implement batch processing to handle smaller chunks of data at a time. This can help manage memory usage more effectively. Finally, the user should monitor the application's memory usage during execution. This can help identify memory leaks or specific areas where memory consumption spikes. Fun fact, did you know that Java's memory management is like a game of Tetris? You have to fit all your blocks perfectly to avoid running out of space. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that high memory usage in Uima Ruta may stem from inefficient rules or excessive annotations. The user points out that the stack trace indicates memory issues related to disjunctive rule elements, which create new annotations for matches. They recommend updating to Uima Ruta version 2.6.0 and eliminating disjunctive rules from your script, as they are often unnecessary. The user emphasizes that optimizing rules can significantly reduce memory consumption. They suggest that many rules can be combined or eliminated, potentially cutting the number of created annotations by 90%. This optimization can lead to better performance and lower memory usage. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly review and optimize your memory settings and Uima scripts. This proactive approach can save you from future headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to tackle the out-of-memory issues in your Uima application. Remember, regular maintenance and optimization are key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.